Magandang araw mga kapatid. And thank you for being with us today. We are excited to share what's next for TV5 and the stories we'll be bringing to more and more Filipinos in the months ahead. In the first half of the year, and I'll just take you back a little bit, we launched exciting new shows, A Secret in Prague and My Best Friend Eman. Each connecting with the audiences in different ways, from a mystery, comedy, and romance to a heartfelt way of storytelling. We're especially proud to see A Secret in Prague to have ranked among the top 10 titles on Netflix for several weeks. We also launched a revamped face-to-face with Ate Coring, basically refreshing the program with a lighter, more lifestyle thrust for a new generation of viewers. This year also reaffirmed the power of collaboration with a renewed partnership with ABS-CBN, thus allowing more and more Filipinos to discover TV5 content, while opening new opportunities for audiences to enjoy and even more great Filipino stories para sa mga kapatid at kapamilya. So in the evening, from Sigabo to Someone Someday, where Dimples is a part of, to A Secret in Prague across both platforms. Our partnership is built on a simple shared belief that when great stories reach more people, everyone benefits. Our audiences, our creators, our advertisers, and our partners, and ultimately, the whole industry. As we continue to grow, our mission remains the same: to bring great Filipino stories to more Filipinos across television, digital, and wherever our audience is. They may choose to watch it wherever they are. So mga kapatid, let's take a look at what's ahead at tara na sa TV5. Thank you.